kesiye obi emfa ne nsa nka Dr. Bawumia na abusia to make the team be say meti mama show na ye de no yenti asema ye wura Bawumia e kan ha wo de tie
Yeba power 2018 regional executive elections. Mebua all the aspirants for the regional, the whole country. Omunina mebua. 2019 orphan constituencies, 109 orphan constituencies. Contestants, no aspirants, in all the orphan constituencies. 20,000 Ghana cedis each in all the orphan constituencies.
20,000 Ghana cedis for all the orphan constituencies. Just say constituencies are na yenne MPP MP ewo hono. Papa when the pajasi in a book, taking in charge of their cost. Tieni biem no one kese me din tro. Tie. Yentie.
Yeba power 2018 regional executive elections. Mebua all the aspirants for the regional, the whole country. Omunina mebua.
Entity o. Papa we no onye selective personal or undiscriminating nipo. And I'm so feel say or ye party ba and I'm so papa ni feel say party no aboa no mana drum pempenso bi no say o ya ade dia ma party na o ye no wonkokwam nyansa kwan so yemfa BBC nkotwa yemfa Jizira nkotwa ena yemfa Fox News nkotwa nkokwam cool na ode ayeden I support all the people omuhia emwa all the people omuhia mwa owia eyifi asem nyansani no nyansani enono nimdefo enono enya fei ena meba besi yentomago abusuamu ntomago enya fei na meba besi dia hata abonten se amansan emra mehwe se ye sport mu kokonkoko wo enya fei na meba ye nsa. That is what we call intelligent and a leader. Yento adona yenti di oyeye.
2019 orphan constituencies, 109 orphan constituencies. Contestants, no aspirants, in all the orphan constituencies. 20,000 Ghana cedis each in all the orphan constituencies. Hereby 2020.
Nyantuwase tie. 109 constituency. Omo na omo kopri to me e constituency no.
The orphan constituencies. Hereby contestants, no aspirants, contestants, no 9 orphan constituencies. Contestants, no aspirants, in all the orphan constituencies. 20,000 Ghana cedis each in all the orphan constituencies.
Bawumia, we say nipa ba akufo tumi trase na oyi 20,000 Ghana cedis, statistically 200 million. Edema each aspirant are no more 109 constituencies. One can say a calculation of a catch them. I say, Musa want it. So one mechanic one. One family general innocent Agbevo, memoir, mamma, amateur yepa. One family general bonte, mammy, general, my man, who guy, muska. He did it as a man, as a leader, and also as a jar, onim senema. CNDC all the way. Well, you're welcome, innocent. You're welcome. So cross you innocent, into no wonder. So Obi also you innocent there. I think say yes, it's an innocent thing. No problem. And the yeka Dr. Bawumia to me transi a day. 20 Ghana 20,000 Ghana cedi for each aspirant. Na obe pre to me ewo constituency ho. Yang to aso na enko ye ni.
Yeba 2020 parliamentary candidates ni nyina mebuao. Everyone 275. Yeba 2020
270 MP yan kan say candidate na omope MP adi ewo MPP amanyo konum. Papa we ogina hoyi o say there is no candidate awamwa no. O say there is no single candidate papa we amwa no. Na you can say enter na me kan before no say wo pam ohufo a woto ne barima mo ayama na yetan e man na alaji nso babonten o kyerɛkyerɛ mumu sɛ mo nka manuntum na monye a decent campaign na munya na mo millions and I get the money man munyai now there yeko o there yeba ye nyawe momento ado
all the party elections from polling station to national. Polling station executives 200,000. Meto forms ma obia.
Tieniye pao. Polling station executive election forms. Also we 200,000 people. And Crofono moko contest ababeye polling station executive no polling station paying for no. Papa wo yo jina ho on kasa no. Other than top forms at the mark 200,000 people. And I am not second in Agyapong say one form to be police station executive. No, ne boy is saying now their term say 200,000 Ghana cedis. And I am Emmanuel Kofi at the Abano say Dr. Bawumia in 2019 was spending 2,180,000 Ghana cedis for 109 orphan constituencies. Tieniye pa 2.180 million 2.180 million Ghana cedis. And on kwa spend in 2019. In 2020, all the MPs are now more person in parliament. Papa will sponsor 270 something. One fancy 200,000 can say national yen can say one national delegate was say yo papa when a top funds to the more money na 84 back when a boy is and after times 200,000 na kina who say this man is somebody he has done a lot and a lot for this party yento ado
Mr. Thomas Emma Obia so 30 Ghana cedis
tieni yo. But say you be a wondering question because the body 30 Ghana at the money paba could be our maniska. Na minya bema 200,000 times 30. I say Minya Emmanuel for calculation nebra. Aye 30 Ghana cedis. Matter forms na we na media amount no. And a massive amount 30 Ghana cedis. And ya unko all the aspirant and person mon contesting in ya. Papa we 30,000 for each person. 30 times 200 and what? 200,000. I say 6. Nowadays 200,000 into 2 times 3 is 6, which is another 6 million. And Papa will spend a year. Tell me, Another 6 million and a papa will spend here apart from buying the forms for them. This man is whom we call the grassroots. When a building nipa and you man some morning chinam ne anwa engo ediaba jina diko jidi na kone tiemiyo enye medengo mede anwaba mede moaba jina di na kone dabi. This man will help you to develop yourself to become somebody. Until you say dom atu di papa we yachia enye sika o na mom eye kwanyo no nam kwan bi so atima mo pajo mo abra bomadru pempenso bi. That is what they are doing to heal what he has done for them. Enti enye 100 Ghana to botom jikodi jifakoye masem jifakotwa ho da bi. I'm helping you to build yourself and become somebody in your life. That is what we call, don't give me fish to eat, but tell me or teach me how I can fish myself. That is the man who is sitting there. Mimiya Stephen Idan Memoakwaba. Papa no jina hono. Papa no jina hono. Mami ama, you are not late at all. You are welcome. Papa no jina hona. Sabio ye kandi ye nim to ne sono. Oh no, he believes in human's capital. He believes in human development. So beko wenim ewa brabom. Enti famo emo anwa ene enchinam emra wo se jinadi na mom no obekire obema wakwanya ama wako wenim ababe ni patitrew. Enti we na ye the rare grassroots man. Yanto adwe abushamon fanchebe
200,000 people Mimawubia 30 Ghana cedis say omunfa and wow in their polling stations. Ufriwa electoral area coordinators me to forms Emma Obia na menye aspirant menye candidate na menye electoral area coordinators me to forms na Obia me ma 500 Ghana cedis.
Yo ena yenwe Emmanuel Diabano I say Dr. Bawumia when me di me team na ye calculation so afa pepepe sa 200,000 constituency say one and one for no Dr. Bawumia can spend it apart from so tall forms no them I don't know how much is one form but auto form no we you know sika o de man krofo no ni nyina no kabo ma na 6 million Ghana cedis 30 Ghana cedi per each per 200,000 6 3 times 2 is 6 who desire so no ka ho is 6 million fatuti dollar man me makwa ba ye pa de why no enso nka ho asemo na mmom no fish wura bi ekoyi 1 million demand pipia agise koduru Ghana web so agise koduru Aljazeera ho agise ye kamane koduru Fox News wa America temi pa eti yewo maka minim book bi se mumu bi akanya ye fe the rich dad and poor dad temi ye pa Francis Walker memo akwaba yewo book bi oho ye fe the rich dad and poor dad so what can be that it will tell you say sa papa yo gina hoy he is the rich dad. Poor dad, no, he spend money for you to enjoy, and at the end of the day, you are nobody. I already jacopo. You want some account? Rich dad, no, he will invest in you for you to be free man, for you to become somebody, for you to be able to achieve something better for your life. That is what Dr. Bawumia does. I will not give you more and I want to eat. Memfa fish me share unsem. Memfa 100 Ghana cedi me share unsem emmo wachi seko. Na mom no. I will support you to develop yourself to become somebody better for your future. I brofunu mu edene. Me boaw ama wanyina ko anim no abeye nipa titiro bi wabrabom. So Bawumia actually teaches how to fish. Bawumia chira kwa ambefa so oso betimi akoye obetimi akoye boka akoyi enam ewo nsuom. Yes, someone could say Johonu would be the first inspector general to go to prison if MPP comes to power. Dr. Kasafa, when you ever ho, yentuado.
Ubiaji 500 Ghana cedis. Uba constituency for the elections. Every constituency may almost 22,000 Ghana cedis.
Yo, how many constituencies we have in the country? We have 270 something constituencies. 200 and something 70 something times your friend is saying times 22,000 Ghana cedis. Your calculation no netie. Your calculation no. Don't let jelly go like that. That be papa ne can sem. Entina muska. And I'm sponsor ye. And I'm koto pickups. And I'm swam more Ramadan be and the common cramophone tino. In cramophone love me than him. Oh boy. The love that people have for this man is undisputable.
The same with national executives. Mesuma Boa Party kakra enyesa. Mesuma Boa Party kakra. Eze the year member Abonti emba kan 2024 elections. Sika mitime raising emma party no ebc that ewo a party history. Ebc pickups are heading minimum constituencies over the regions, over 300 pickups. Say you see in the constituencies. Say in the constituencies, the pickups are being used. Yako annual delegates conference ewo Lagos. We contribute here. Emma anka ya yebesano anka conference no emba so. We contribute 7.5 million Emma party no to organize the annual delegates conference. But here Mamba Abonte Ambeka. Mamba Abonte Ambeka. Enti meso mayebi. But adia me say we who say who ye president enye ubotom sika na odibe boaga edibe hwegana enye say ubotom sika ye hwehwe say who ye sika ni nti dey power maw eye unim die o ideas na odibe hwe ye mind enye usika na odiba ebe hwegana.
Yes, Abusianfo. We are the first puncher, doctor. One fine year grow. Mese punch we are no a driver off. Agyapong will be in the room for 2 years. On to me, Piabon TBM. So what you? Annual a conference and people for quite an annual that I was stadium hono. Agyapong. Any papa sikanino of any say Kwau Elon Max. And I'm saying no more per se event no enye basa na yemfa ngu Dr. Bawumia ni mase no sankrofo we sika also mo mfa nkoma party no omotena so a day before the election and omodi say sika no koye and intia doctor can tell so no kwa spend 7 million because those people Agyapong ne Kwau Elon Max no mo mpese omodi sika no beko. They just wanted to create an atmosphere but make say MPP for Kurano omu ni sika mpo a omo baye den omo de baye den omo de baye omo annual conference. But doctor stood up and he spent the kind of 7 million to her MA adwuma ni nyina. So who is the MPP man? Why any do party no? Why na ye near in the name of the party na nye ne personal interest? Yemia George I join him one mfano ento board no so. George. Chairman ye. What TikTok ana?
Me buy YouTube a chair.
So they say what done TikTok ni kakra kapa.
Say TikTok na me di me dwuma o.
Oh, China before we CB my man. Oh,
yeah. Bra. Me start sana oba. So on the mention.
Yeah, cool.
Na machro tatis ne woman so on the mention. Me say me dem me wana me bom adwuma ye bonko for to just what you say.
No.
Almost some my doctor Mahmoud Bawumia on to na ye so me try say game you mu ansa no mo ba.
Yeah.
You bet you say almost secret bi na na you almost say a secret mo no ye mu bi no be secret ma yen. I will say oh I mean cha o tiefu nyina hello me tiefu nyina akwa ba ye da ma
tiefu jo so
ye da ma se ma join ras media e bre bia mo bo ni chidom Evans na me sha papa na me sister Beatrice Samuel Akono because me body ni dey ade be chien na I think say you move no there before then only ye di kan akeka ensem ya Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia kan because na on person say ade a nka oba me program no so on TikTok so a ka bo say ni mobile money information we say ye dey atuja long time because ye right now no baby I data sin ye uniform because omo regulate ye kasa no what you say omo mpese the doctor empen omo mpese ye be nti ye je fact ni figures no na ye dey di edwuma ye moye sire mu ni akansem so ye pepe ya ekita ni ya utimu say information no gu so no reasonable information pa numero say say time now ma me akwanya me no be check information na e wa hase no ama e bia so watiefo no so me dane e chese usuma wa data any fact ye di bank intro bi a amanfo bi no mai den etwa e wo camp bi say NPP amanyuko no bae no na nado danko akufuado ene Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia bae no o ma anya hwe wa Ashanti region nkra kita me ntwetwe wo sunya project kakra na nado danko akufuado ene Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia etimi den hya ase ewie ye wo Ashanti region no ene na egu sa pepa yusui nti se akwanya wo mu enanimre a metimi ni wati for so
na pacho da bi yanto wase na we are talking about asem minim se uti asema doctor kan ye ya
exactly memo sa information ni
obetima kere ho na mame ansa
yes nti ene Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia de na probo no ahyehye so na ene no okọ adanse afokwa Ewura KT Hammond ne constituency ho na o sha ase free na before say Dr. Krabe ba be kasa no honorable KT Hammond ebe church semani extra baby party no free
video no ha pese me born later ben pese yendere with doctor we are na about KT Hammond there no
all right
yeah making very yeah
okay mate inti there na Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia pese o catch delegate nya won say ye mu bi no menu mienu de ye chance ye nim say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia you bi a o ya de a on come amanfo nte
yes
but you say in so type on chreni a oje wo
yes of course
o ma tata papa na say no o tata be man so do a otu ni bi a na ai no and then nsema o kan no so un say nanka on pese nkobe sa but so one council a omo de ye de say ni bi
ya omo de di na bro
exactly first a year Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia kan ya be year free on say a year other camps no what say ye kwaye congress wa ha say omo MPP for be 4 million yo omo be 2 million be so be say na doctor say mumu tua 4 million and so me Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia me tua 7.5 million and so me ba bonti mama meka 7.5 million me who say video be circulate astika ejina o insight delegate say Canadian Japan etua 40 billion ye ka chene na wa say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia etua 75 billion sa no tua ansa na delegate congress ne koso upe obi a wato pickups ama party no one gene back me no ka say pickups no adwuma of various constituency Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia You were 276 constituencies in the war mining. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia Hector pickups 300 in the party, no constituency there Nyabako, Pacho, a Becca 4 or party offices here is Sionum, or Kotoka or the buyer or the documents national ones as a media a party media. Within the party, no, you will be a water pickup back, water pickup you ye idea they pick up ne kwakoya they then almost jet sa pick up ne back but Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia enye sa de ni bi da ope ye call the year 2020 Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia eto forms ema obia o study e won constituency owie ye no o sama omusika se omunye de omunye mfa nkonkopo omo ho bra so they mention Uba polling stations, Uba constituency, and also Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia etio no ali bottom ska ema nipa ba kubia 22,000 Ghana cedi and so nti se papa no bo hu dawruda nti se papa ne bo hu dawruda na ono ne de enka ompese nkobeko no kwan wi so Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ye na adwen se beka ade a ubetimi ayama Ghana we are descending ebra de obetimi ayama party executive we are no descending but de obetimi ayama den constituency executives regional executives na se wo hwe Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia se no o se delegate ne ema na kwanya ema ni bedi party na nima or the constitution bi oba be propose constitution bi abase the constituency executives no ye need something like a capital the bomb bra ye need budget for them say obano be leader he is going to create that thing yes we be new one that says NPP abako say no bibi sa NC da into a new idea papa ne deba that is one of his rich ideas. So you share Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia any na dwuma upon the contribution of the aboa Ghana papa no onye obi a osi factory efa nipa o but rather no o make you CEO on your own.
Yes, yeah. That's person I can't say way. Onye slave master.
Yes. So who follow me our TikToker carbon the sad data analysis here making and before saying can Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ba be kan and ma try go to Rwase no before say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ebe ba Ghana sim mu no na omo ye mobile money operators ne kwa na mean say 130 but and then wa correct say na 107,000 nipa 107,000 per na mobile money e wo mining
very few
mobile money business yes and so on the mobile money interoperability we say by as at 2024 August chairman na omo engage e wo mobile money business e 916,000
almost 1 million.
Exactly. Busa percentage do send or their babe come. Employment send work creative or
and they are not working for Dr. Bawumia. They are working on their own.
For their own. They are their own paymasters. Omunchio biaka omunchio mo.
Say because papa ne ye obi a ochiro kwan ye fa so yi nam wonsuo ma.
That is who the man is.
I got you.
Who the man is. And Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia share ambulance service here by a creative employment man pass over 20,000 in a creative employment ma and no on fan to no on case we be missing napco ye nya Canadian Agyapong e ma ne kwotena hodon e ko ka say napco no obi a wako school ekita ni certificate ni en deserve 700 cedis and so ko na dwuma nya otua obi ka 250 Ghana cedis you what data no your evidence in now.
Oh really?
I'm telling you.
Timi usika my employer 7,000 no.
Na jima ya for no. Na chama ntio me anya analysis bi wa say papa we insight say wa employer nipa 7,000. And so ko ne oman TV no. O ko ne na tu no ma wa busa won sa question we say nipa oman news anopa no. Onwa the summer news anwumre.
Yeah.
Into 7,000 workers no mo hefa.
Hey, what be sa me we na no na me ka same way ma me be ka kire me say banche sem na man ko si banche factory bi wa tebubu wanchi area ho o si nkusie ni nkura na dam enya djuma mutie me
tie ba me say ma me say mbusa question bi o woni say Canadian Agyapong e ko bi a fruit factory na no bi a fruit juice bisa say factory na we fa o de abufuo e sori free Accra e ka say emaburu na wo man mu no e ye lazy in on the abufuo ko gu company no okogu factory no and so na sa papa we catch Ghana youth to say he is coming for the youth, he is for the youth. Canada Japan atra hono and insight say or no enya dey say still plant no Syria or be employ Ghana media man na igbo because Ghanaian youth are lazy, Ghanaian youth are naturally born back and so na sa di pan kwa pro catch delegate say yen to abama me bu Canada Japan question back o almost say owo nyuma we bi enuma me patrol eye ascendant pim hono wono delegate for do say in one employ mu na adwuma on be is a question na
na so obi anka so 1.7,000 na opese uncrete adwuma
ma e be fi un feature aba
and MPP for the senka one PP base or na to abama call parliament there you supposed to give them more job so come up in ya adwuma
inti busa ho se we bi adwuma afa delegate kran ke woni krom kran busa ho se ade na no ono ani krom constituency chairman I endorse Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ono ani krom o ade na man na endorse ono ani krom
bra me na to sa men kan sem o asem na da bia me kan na amanfo bi no ntimase o se party ye wo mo na party ne kita o mo nsama they know what is going on it is out to na chairman sabo so be catch so endorse Dr. Bawumia okay oti wana ya fene say chama wuntumi nom omoso omodoso Dr. Bawumia je kufu ankasa so odoso Dr. Bawumia ye wura nanado dankwa kufu so papa we ne betimi aye adwuma na maye enka ye omo aka ya fene say oh this guy at the lottery Ghana no ye adwuma lottery commission ho say Samia wuku nom ba kono so kojo opon kono manom ene Yanka said the most prominent people.
The thing is, you say, Osha Omomudi Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, they are intellectuals. They are well prominent people.
Yes, on a finance minister, not Dr. Bawumia, the former finance minister.
Exactly.
I mean, Adam, what is the name?
Yeah, Mammy Tinsi, no matter what has said, Ramen Chowan.
Ma met me abo Katie Hammond video now.
Okay, you better hold on where you're exposing Crofodi.
Okay,
you're exposing Crofodi. Chairman, I mean, family plan, me can't take it.
Okay.
Number one, Canadian Japan incited delegates say NPP bar bemuno, Yamo Majuma, Chairman. Canadian Japan not or your board chairman, or Ghana gas.
Yes.
You say Nipadu boss or employer. Nipado boss or employer. Apart
from na kwada Usubempa.
I don't know, no employer, no. A kufa na employer Usubempa. And yet Canadian Japan employer Usubempa.
Yeah.
The employer Usubempa. Inti grassroots for the boss or employer more. And also for the grassroots. Number two, the ire Stella Japan. Stella Japan, no chairperson. Board chairperson, no. Our Ghana Shippers Authority. Ghana Shippers Authority. Why not or employer no? And my party no do no employer more. Number three, the Stella Japan Korea, Canada Japan blackmail a lobby a contract deal of $100 million. At the money no. Chairman, $100 million we say and kiye I'm a regional chairman be a 276 constituency ma and regional chairman be a contract of $5 million. 5 million sana regional chairman ya ibinya in Quebec actually 5 million regional secretaries amomo so ayeden e dia ya adwuma ama party no obi ansa akona no Canadian Japan yire engineer platform so nya campaign da ba onya sa contract we say ene no ni kunu incite delegate say party buy no omo nya hwe ya didi agya omo. Number 3 the friend Akwedi Steven Astika exactly
deputy one.
Maybe some question you. Sticker before so be deputy trade, be deputy finance no. Now or a CEO of Maslock. CEO of Maslock. Ne ye ma me no mo bre chama. Si e ka se grassroots no nye yuto. Me ma me abrewa kra e grassroots.
Yeah, of course. Enyan kra. Agadi fo bodwa fo ne koton fo ye.
Do say na o ma o mu loan. Do say in o mo capitation e wo Maslock no. Who be deputy trade and industry when tinya mbona na do danko akufado 1D 1F no when tinya mbo hu ndawro went me and born the you free your deputy finance minister and also went in your family economy. These people are going around inciting people against Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Say, or castle bechi dollar, or castle be economy you were joining for. That is how shallow these people are. Forgetting say right now, the world is running on a digitalization
economy.
The world is running. Fourth industrial revolution na Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia sorry what can one say no it's all about digitization and then who could be say will be my so na yeah ma wo cash e e-pay in your demo that is digitization and then some paper to paper data ni eni hon mu biem everything is being done online and so next we now etna honum because of greed any brain, they are all standing against Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Me first yo, yensho obiti say abna o say asare.
Okay.
Openipa was serving as deputy finance minister for good 8 years and then another Danko Akufo-Addo Bawumia government. Untimi salary we say free.
Asaba you afia.
Yes. And so no the Canada Agyapong and then oye deputy finance ministry and then oye finance ministry on. And then but these people are talking about economy today. These people are talking about Chairman, there are more revelations in here. Your friend Akwebi and Pardon or the Canadian Japan. Listen, we have the names of everyone following Canadian Japan, and we have everything about them. Sa ampa biya American asemi eko tena radio so eko di na do Danko Akufo-Addo ni MPP aban na tem eko incite evil against Nana Danko Akufo-Addo atem Nana Danko Akufo-Addo papa owo abadaye no tena se edwo se ma me fa wo finance ministry na so ko boa wo ho no ye ma wo sa position because we sit na what is no na na NDC for there inti ye de ma wo se ne be all this seat ni baba be ka MPP for you are a failure today you are pointing your fingers against Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ye for bit say ye ya kwesi kwaten the spokesperson of the spokesperson of Canada Japan
yes education
Nana Danko Akufo-Addo obatampa a odin ye mabunu ho kwesi kwaten afena 37 years old. And so, Nana Danko Akufo-Addo your PRO in education ministry. Chairman, me say awufo me omo de abufo eto abatia MPP nyano kwasi kwaten kan bi. Ye wo awufo and when the time is due they giving us the he says here from Babia they will bring the evidence. Someone to kwasi kwaten say Babia the banning placement me dan ekwanwa into opanacho or ye MPP ni ba into opanacho osreno even with the woman showing party card no kwasi kwaten ka chere say is either so be 20,000 Ghana cedi no ayama no anase onye the woman went back home crying na ka say sadi pa o ka go abama
onto that I so can say MPP for no mo ji sika fi MPP for some so your money na mo yet adwuma
what na we are what be ka say e boku ni kusasi ntokwanti na ama MPP elusu forgetting the year wo me say ye mo binum ko education ministry e ko po ma cho say even education project no kwan omo fango pen drive so my any program chama what ya na me twa ntro
no I'm also a testimony of this
you say question you free omo fine
Nabida
you make a request no mo de my
Nabida
and then honorable aluchum also wo person be president of Ghana what do me abro say what di o papa pen what di na abro say what the project
education sector no de kura podo de ya de bi etwa mene because to the point to say kwasi prate ankasa babonte be kan say na MPP for nti boye adwuma we nya education sector e na mo ho dawro you see NDC ni potimi hu say adwuma ekoso na wo kwasi kwate ye fra wo sen PRO mu a won na wo se won kasa wonam ho eyo ho fine boy wantimi amodawro ene na yes and no more omo takrase and omo tubom mi ato adomiti o
ye koso no na ye frɛ Akwabi Lawrence Agensam meaning what in that
but this I did not
Agensam now ni di bere The position no kra me refi baako ba de me kai no oye CEO e wo Exim Bank. Exim Bank.
Wow.
A contract a chichi die a cost wo man ma Exim Bank na ma contract e wo man Exim Bank in an ma contract ahudo ni nya wo man mami ma example bako na me NDC buy o man ka say chino ma chicha ma untumi no was because okodi no Exim Bank so kwa ko project.
Yes.
So ko ye CEO na utimi ma loan for project delegate for do was saying regional minister do was saying constituency executive do was saying party members do was saying na atimi mo contract in atimi mo loan. Then what about the John mo say kusasi bokunto kwa na am lusu na Dr. Mamudu Bawumia a weak candidate inti yembo tuntiano. These people are dishonest. They are not loyal. They are not
very
loyal.
wicked-minded.
Exactly. My main bit is say you throw you so Alfred Obin. Alfred Obin. Now Alfred Obin in an CEO boss Ghana Oil boss. Obekaya MPP wa bemuno you say you were in your contaminated fuel.
Yes.
It's under this man. Na under this man no yinya chama wontumi mo e mo mu solid na e pon etwitwa eje o enye san kenenke wo sen ka wo dem under na don ko kufuado yin enye o se cheme sabon na mu di na tem no omo e no mo sori ye o mu ka bi ma o omo na sori ye o mu ka bi ma o but when tinya I employ any educated person in the New Patriotic Party not to talk of any youth. And then what Baby John say, you are for the grassroots. Who do you say, you people are for the grassroots in the end to Abama. Before we continue, Chairman, my idea will make it sense. Me what power? Na more power. Me did you attend my cassette yao? Utie. Me did you attend my cassette yao? Na when you sound call about one, ye me flow near the old bar power. Na fe de masen twa no say oh ateni na me di uni na fa cheme ensema me ka fa woni wabusuafo nu nya ntoro na fa cheme na o yire ne woni o yire nya mo ye madamfo ne masan ko delegate for say monto abama me na me san no ma be compete obi amala be power cho ama Ghana fo wo say de me kan nya ntoro no e da san de san kwa akoton ama o so monto abama me like let it make sense. And then na kwa catch Ghana force because number one na wa catch Ghana force if India any wo o ya krojen ne masamba say oh monto abam Ghana for monto abam me na me fama me tunipa and then policy na wo de baba be tu sa nipa no and then policy na de kwa
bi enyuma
and then man we bie my men chewa bi Kennedy Japan so na me bi edman ye chi chama untumi nye pobi amana yeden ababejina Canadian Japan has submitted document oti the yoko for kind none of the property is in your name it is a property thing you would know me say the Ken City media e dan no kra e ni sister dia e no so pon meka se eboa the Ken City media na esi Madina no e ni sister dia e no so meka se eboa Masa.
Ni about fear be no.
I'm telling you, Ovia Omeka a drum ni nyaba no. Ye be chere ni nyaba na se. Me abusa ne se ni nyaba ni kuno we. So be personal attack. Ni nyaba ni kuno o we hefa. Omunko Colombia ho na ni nyaba ni kuno or da jail. The husband has been jailed. Ni nyaba ni is living on the husband's drugs money. Maybe na no tagi Canadian Japan so oil drugs. It was because the na man for any new ban and na contact profile into na near the tagi Canadian Japan. That is what he do for a living. That is what he does for a living, and he has been arrested. He's in jail now. He is in jail now. Why is a donkey on the name?
Yeah. That me who know. That be a me who know event to be I said wow this woman. I was really.
We don't want to also local design despite automobile one I better to solve one. Chama, me and distracting. Therefore, obi to say Abuaji Jedu. So betty and I knew almost start your mutoi. One another no ding. Honum. Catch up a half of one say, only the because area half me, Mark Ontania into one by Bema Mujuma. Chama. Jedu na Jedu deputy CEO of Valco.
Okay.
Valco and Honorable Titus Glover. Not Titus Glover name. Honorable Titus Glover in his time in Valco no or employ party members baku 100 some may ignore Valco. Na menchade na do catch and say ono the own free Valco na onya na Greater Accra Regional Minister chairman inti on free on mono or recommend sapope e ma na do danko akufuado nka mi hu nka bone be na akwaye sɛ bone bia wa elevate
wa boa mo afa
say buy no first thing obey uni ndo ye nipa 100 na ye employ no osaki o nya mo kotena afie
MPP for my yamo.
I'm telling you. As we are making way, Ubetimi Afre Godon is going to attest to Assembly America. Yenye tuna mutual. Yenye kasem na ni ya mouth facts ni ya mouth data. Nipa 100 and ye employ mo ojiom nyina di.
Hey,
ojiom nyina di.
That's almost 5 money ache.
Yes. Ojiom nyina di. And so sa papa we say any start the same nipa na or campaigning for no SNPP buy no ya nhwe delegate NPP buy no ya nhwe party ma ya ma party management when you already chairman ene si e kase yam pamo Canada Japan free party ma e ya na bi muti e kire e toto ayampia e kan sem hu ma me nche wade bi in 2014-2015 so be kala Paula Foko ene kwabna je Japan chairman uni masema omko kan e omko threaten obi say on chain na obehu within 3 days in the acid kogu nipa no so ma ni wuye me ma video evidence ko adum TV online sisi a e wo Facebook sa video ya me kan wase e da ho
no
o me kai video na Kennedy Japan ko tra adum TV ko e kwabna ya boka egu ana wo su na
video no ha
yes, that is the video. Papa we say e incite here e polutu omo adwen wo party nim say de kwabreje Japan aka ene de Paula Foko aka no yempa mo free party nim o influence na do danko akufuado ene na ama Paula Foko ompe na do danko akufuado ani ma hwe no. It was all done orchestrated by Kennedy Japan. And so then who go down ka say obi hu amefua on bunu you take care of it. 3 days time na meswale who be just say and find the X. Papa, you are the X. Now who no when inside say you hu obi ayam bono je besi bia no you take responsibilities of it. Na ni pani we don't you deserve to be sacked from the party?
Yeah.
You deserve to be sacked from the party because you are no saints than them. Unye saints than them. Me say before see you be you be compare ma Canada Japan you try to say obeba be chain ni pakra o ye na adwen say obema no sa $800 million no e wo NPP mu we will campaign for you
some message na kwa man votimo
yes and no be can that created a very great downfall in our party because let it make sense say your party no power. Yes, you will $800 million said the movie, but this same party, $3 million or IMF. Does it make sense? In China, your size can demand the Pabacono, young farm or mining Ebesia, not your party, young Putunduma, not party, and constant power, near the money Pabaco. Number 2, Okonana don't call Kufa Bawumia say, so best step it down. Your mouth a new sign agreement say every year you have a contract worth $500 million.
How much?
$500 million. That is how much he was seeking for. Hey. Some papa will say, see you are coming for people to get jobs and idea. Papa, Oko ECG, and you will be over a $20 million deal contract. And also upon make us see a boy. Opa, on make us see a boy, $1 $20 million. What you know, because of greediness in Tino, as I said, NPP lose power crown in December. A brand the kind you move in so at me nan that you chia 645 million Ghana cedis. Papa says can all the year then. No Canada Japan you be a party man 100%. Na oba na obey you 1% no a check cameras see so. No or see mo bi anda mehwemi you.
E ma on ton na. Otobre boa.
Exactly. onim biare no akyere no odakora na esi na no so I say ye de emne bia no ye bo delegate no kokose se wo pe obi odi nkabomu wo pe obi a wa bia ni nsem e de jiwa wa tu a you cannot choose anyone apart from Dr. Mamudu Bawumia. And then no, Dr. Mamudu Bawumia say oba in each and every constituency no obey 10 people amoma there
government appointment
exactly. Ono 10 people na oyi omo no enye say oyi omo no maba betra amanfo no so no say bibi nyawa go to them tell them they will bring you to me Dr. Mamudu Bawumia and I will do it for you. Dr. Mamudu Bawumia you bia wa ye bia me hu pen and he can do it. And then Dr. Mamudu Bawumia campaign now or no we're being up no ama MMDCs they are also playing part in it. And so can it be a terminal? Na MMDCs here for Munyeshe. MMDCs near for Munyeshe. This is the man we are begging you people to vote for. Someone like Dr. Mamudu Bawumia. Nipa ni bufu kra na osre.
Yeah.
Nipa ni bufu asia kansem amana kono ho kra no na osre. Na osre. This is the person we are selling to you people. And then chairman, me say en opa konkwala school buso say who is the vice president of Ghana? 99.9% the catch say Dr. Mamudu Bawumia. The one body in the catch say onim. The one body no obeka cho so onim. Ye kan na nsi wa o. Ye friend ma me bi Catherine Afoko. Means what in Linda? Catherine Afoko. Unim appointment ta onya. And the papa no di na chine say Oba or the tourism in a Bay Ghana year. She was the tourism minister, Catherine Afoko. What impact did she play in the tourism ministry?
So the contact man in Agyapong banner.
Yes. The Oma the Canadian Japan ba e ka board no e wo Ghana tourism board no. That is the woman. And ka obi anko selling tourism pa ka untimi so bia on enja sakode. Untimi jo bia on enza samini ho. They sold Ghana. They made Ghana look attractive by the help of Nana Danko Akufo-Addo. And so this woman who added nothing to the tourism ministry, you know, Ethiopia or the tourism. Not in the Canadian Japan nama oye. So not all pro. That's what once assassin can be the baby or could do baby not the journey. Assassinate down my 30,000 acres, meaning so 30,000 acres. So the Ghana Lankasana ye land map na my 30,000 acres, but the baby a bunch of food. Now my papa was where be a start factory. Oh, I think we maintain start factory, you know, starting a hen out the
Bra, start factory no adane yo, adane nkura dan yo. Maami Musa etachima ni. O kan kire me so betim kura the video kura ba kire me say factory no enwura nkura ne nkusie na dam. Wagu.
Agu. Me de ma no ba wiye no.
Mitiopa.
Ami ma obi ti say Cynthia Morrison. So okay no.
Yeah, maami na o say why na why.
Oko independence no. Unim the Okache delegate. Okache delegate say because I want supported Dr. Mamudu Bawumia no. Inti no mo call Congress no mo tutia no. Any man call independent. That is what she's selling. Unim na the position no kita. She was the gender minister.
Ah, okay. Very, very, very important ministry.
She was the gender minister.
Where you can
and look at the amount of teenage pregnancy in there. Mommy, when Timmy and go from Uncle command the girl child education. Samira Bawumia lectures more than some of you people. And to Samira Bawumia, no that board be also. Samira Bawumia will any appointment be out. Samira Bawumia will any appointment be out. So if we are talking about the defeats in the party, these are the people who bowed up, who ganged up against Dr. Mamudu Bawumia. Against Dr. Mamudu Bawumia. Inti se wo tege so for ne kan. So for ne say NPP for mamon famani hwe baabia, mon famani hwe party ni. Owura Canada Japan onu na wanye de. Wa mama power. That is the hardest truth as some of the NPP members are failing to accept it. That is the hardest truth. That is the hardest truth. And Semelokai or Semonche and Samamu inciting against Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, a share amount for before. Ukojina baby, or say party mano, and as a party penny for a yes, like there is no tomorrow. Now, cast all can't we say a money papa or to about my MPP.
A unattractive comment.
Exactly. Ukojina simply a passo, Echo Asansu watching area a buying sassy, and record the area a buying sassy.
The Komuko was one of Cotas.
And so, Papa, you will videos, and that's a semi won't pay now. Assassin who mounts one now near Nasa. Assassin who mounts one. Only Otibonsu, as sorry, Jai said, move good similar about many masses. Forgetting, say, Otibonsu grass, assassin or corner, a stolen property in Okotoye. Stolen property in Okotoye. And so, what we see similar about Bawumia.
A lawmaker,
exactly,
is actually endorsing the wrong deal, illegal practices.
Chairman, under Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia as vice president, as vice president. See a man mandate no emane be president. Ontimi nya de boss ana. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia during COVID-19, akona na do dam kwa kufu ado okoka chenze papa yare we na abaw na yenim de beba daache yenim de beba daache na nana rubusan se beba inti eden na ususu se yenye o se papa imagine say yare anu odin se aba e wo se ade obi fi akurase eba kro kese ma ne be gya yare sa enuru ho no ne ahwe nipa nkwa Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, a dream ni pound kwang into or suggesting say you be CBB a friend agenda 111. Each constituency, each district, and a clinical on one hospital.
Hospital at all effect, yes.
Yeah, Miss B, good evening, Papa.
Now, Miss B, more quaba here, pa. Man, I want to say
agenda 111. Agenda 111 in be creating direct and indirect jobs. That is what Agenda 111 was going to do. Agenda 111 inka create and I say inka employ crowd inka 75,000 nurses in the Nkibina. Doctors in Mayu, paramedics in Mai, cookers in Mai, cleaners in Mai, pharmacists for Enzo Mai. Within that same sector now, in Kebenya morning shift, afternoon shift, evening shift, even Kebenya twilight.
Yes.
And Kebenya twilight. What I say, and so these people stood up against this thing, and then Agenda 111 is being left in the bush.
You see a niska, but you see the paradox. You will see the cotton go to a better market just to make frenzy.
Yes,
the dollar button. Wait, Jimmy, and
now. Sami Jamfi 8 me count for a Ghana for me count because once a Ghana for your parking kind. Chairman. Ghana as it stands now, your gold reserves now, 32 point something tons. And so when Sami Jamfi say they've been able to export 66.6 thousand tons. They've been able to do like who they transfer now. General one casano a former Goodyear who never been farm or bra. Or reserves no are not that much. When they do export it, do you think?
Jimmy, one grofo me can grofo your mope. I'm say bad day for so who be now.
Exactly. Only if you fear or fear to take some. That mistake was what Kwame Nkrumah did. If you also could see independence, who could independence and more.
African
that was the downfall of Ghana. That is what the NDC is doing now. Now, Uko grantee interview. Now, say you want to repeat the legacy of Kwame Nkrumah, dear Papa. You are not a leader.
Papa, we can he has confirmed to me.
If you are telling people, say Kennedy Japan is a dictator, or can be in Kenya, you are not being Tiasi.
Tinti.
Papa, under Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia as a vice president. Papa will introduce Ghana card. The brainer name the mindset behind that Ghana card. and the digital addressing system. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia say inka obaya enroll 1 million Ghanaian youth in coding. Obi be bisa say ebeye den no be say you will youth to assignment so you will youth to functional you will youth to yi ni na ye data e kwan dem so be fanya data no through the Ghana card. Obi the age of 16 to 20, the age of 16 to 25 no classify more as youth. No one say me 500 free ya, ma for 10,000 free ya, ma for at the end of the day, and I say at the end of the program, no, every constituency, every region be.
Yeah.
Every region be. This is say you implement a free SHS no. Free SHS no, I'm a serving greater Accra for Ngwan. Every Ashanti region for Ngwan, and the whole 16 region. And the whole 16 region. Chairman. Under Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, the digital addressing system we see, and I employ Juma. I'm a Ghanaian and Juma. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia does not build a factory to employ. He make you a businessman on your own.
CEO of yourself.
Exactly.
Entrepreneur spirit.
Yes. Exactly. Taxi drivers are not conform, no me and crowd phone. And so under Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia intervention, innovative, which is a digital addressing system, and in are engaged in Uber business.
Yeah.
Uber business are equal woman, and then no young man can't in Combeko Kujina Bonte, no more what Jantra blah, no more you two blah. A demo in Quebec, the former Mama house girl. And so under Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia digital addressing system no otimi koji obi ade we say no they are better online no oton no odi dan di ade aduane onko depend wo be ma so
this time kura podi when you start be aba product ni kwan say kita wo you just
you just showcase it on your social media platform.
Yeah,
you deliver it, the person transfer your money to you. The person transfer your money to you. And can you be in Kaminu Lunki a chimfana? A man by and chair, oh, me use to empty or use to tigo. Means any scam. I just was a mean to me. And the doctor about young who say, yes,
one trick hero.
It was some more sad and then yet maybe. Say so you should tigo to miss anima empty and many mobile money into probability. Oh, bank appointment also boy, waiting at out there, may year free bank, no transfer.
You know what? I said, we are okay on my kind propaganda behind this for setting. One doctor said, say, he will make sure that every Ghanaian will has a bank account.
Ghana card.
Yeah. 2024 campaign. And this before we say, Dr. Bawumia didn't throw. Also, I'm going to need a bank account to show.
Forget to say mobile money or refer to.
Oh, we do a bit of a Ghana for power. What is wrong with our mindset?
We are sick. We are sick. We don't want development. Ghana need pay the medima makoda. Whether echinamenya biadi, echiname survive and fa Ghana ni o. Onyane ne na udi ye no anu o say yi wapon. Oti ase under Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Ene NDC for who I show me. And I want me the dollar no do. Miss Henry, I'm in fact, I think
it's 12.20. Yeah.
I'm in fact, pound is a
pound them said the 16 and 17.
1775 as we talk now.
Wow.
1775.
And we show anyone Yansanim. Ya 4.4 billion at Twagukwa.
Exactly. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia goal for oil policy na NDC for anti-asie. Omo ferry so mo ko ho no makwa busanse papa. E better na goal for oil policy we are sustaining no. A hand tanya homasunti. They couldn't do that. Intieneno our cedi is shaking again. It's the worst performing currency in the world. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia did good for oil on the buyer. No, in a compare cook Canada Japan, who John can say it is a shamble deal.
Yes. Oh, young middleman.
It is a shameless thing. In ke young cotton, so what say we economists are young cotton, young first can young payment go through a middleman and go. That should tell Ghanaians and that should tell the delegates this man is corrupt. Because I did will be involved with middleman, there is bribery and corruption there. Ube to have bribe and send when at the open. But this man, the say, I am not corrupt. But this thing inside they say, oh, you're corrupt. Chairman, under Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, in our medical drones, we are seeing in Ghana the biggest medical drone delivery. Ghana. That is how Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia projected Ghana to the world. And then a crop said DR Congo, Omo ba Ghana say, Omo ba besua acquire a fast wire the Ghana card. And then Omo bam say, Omo ba besua acquire fast wire Ghana card. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, who say 207 Ford no kunipa dodo e wo ye man Sprinter kunipa dodo. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia who say abroche no ye the sprinter any 207 dey.
Yes, of course.
Inti ye pedie de fani padia ma yenkra electric buses na chairman electric buses we me nko mo ba be enka omo ye amanfo work campaign na no nko be recruit omo na into the government sector obeye aban ma be twi aban bus ubetwi aban bus enko ba ne say wakon we nya sales inti enjia wo kan no whether we call unya sales, when your sales, you will be paid.
Yeah, with time.
You will be paid.
People will start moving by time.
Exactly.
Society would start becoming clean.
And Muna Kayan or your bus stop, and I can see or the in Canning now to be chat. In Canning now to be chat because everything will be digitalized. Unin said, so call of Ancoberia, bus stop when you also go to time will hold my bass in the bass will do on my you don't need to shout mate me be anymore. Bass in Bejina, no afro. That is how quiet the country was going to be. And people were going to get enough training to reduce the accident on our road in Ghana.
Of course.
To reduce because accident the baby cost for my money and the chairman you know what dance says it is the lack of education.
Yeah.
And then mates kakra no nya 1,000 Ghana or say then
or a driver
or Jimmy license.
Ghana so the noise will be here. And I hear my speaker said they even started training the Kaya people to drive the bus.
Exactly. Yenya MDC for be mama transit say and then Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ko transit mobile and driver. That is how disrespectful this NDC disrespect Ghanaian.
Stupid mentality pa.
Yes.
Mentality nyansa ba kokura nim.
Yes. Na Ghana media nka NDC na nke last so nka be to abama no. Obi also be women's bank. Chairman and then women susu collector kora wontini bi susu collector. And then who post be say okuja top black one no condemn Israel ntokwa koso forgetting say on one backyard people are fleeing into exile.
Hey, na nipa so pede ho asem pa o.
Ni refuse say on one president ni krom among father ni refugees ya starting wasi wo mining oko bole oko boko enkwala enion mo ye nti mi akasa mi constituency
say bibira aba ho pa
enkwala no
all for bibira aba ho
yes ko he wanchi
yeah wanchi ni sunwane ne dropo sam
ye shelter pon farm mo
yeah.
And so sorry, as the interior minister. The interior minister and the IGP are rather channeling their powers against the opposition party. And then the only abronye. Who take the yohunu, who call Boko, say, oh, Quaco Peck Hamness, or who drew on my little ball came. Instead, say, obey arrest, you rather went on your knees begging the community.
Jimmy,
begging them.
About some media power. Jimmy.
Exactly. Because and then we see Obia the misdemeanor.
Misdemeanor.
A criminal offense. I'm the Abronia Black Maria.
The run the goodness.
And the uncle Pegunensa. What? Ghana Finina Babu say.
Yeah, Mama say, do you remember when the NDC people told the Kaya yes not to use the house that was built for them because it's for ritual?
Exactly.
You remember?
Exactly. But today they are claiming supremacy. And then who Kaya you now went in now to Abama. Today you are back to the street. Oh swag here. Almost Sunday taxes number car you for tax almost Sunday about. Ghana for the catcher was say Montu Aban Farmer Dr. Mamudu Bawumia now or say Obama electricity cost in a better form because Oba they introduce Adibia your friend solar system and Ghana war my botugu and for the baby creating electricity. Montu Aman chairman and that's what they are about to NBC for say in Vienna aka woman no ombe here 220% increment in electricity.
270%.
220%. Next operation man, every month be on to electricity by 5%.
Now, Pasho, you know why I hate these guys. And your money address on by solar panels and be my water. And I'm Munjini. I see you get the been a dorm team. Pasho said Dr. Bawumia the Kanka said he want to introduce a solar panels. Say we brew one and why brew energy say brew double. Now, instead of thinking of increasing tariffs, I didn't we invested to bring in solar panels.
The thing is, yes, they don't have that mentality. They don't have that mentality. Okay, Miss B said 225.
You said 225%.
They don't have that mentality. Now,
Ebinomuso can say those guys, they are interested in Kakra Umbenya film because some got food and a bar percentage binom F4
Chama, I mean, so as a mo.
Ethiopia.
And yes, our NDC for we say any NPP for no be no like I say have to Dr. Mamudu Bawumia.
Yeah. The
and then more the contract about come have to. Then Bawumia na mo sama nyeska.
Move where your opponent.
You see how shallow these people are. You see how shallow and how foolish these people are. Fully with the mindset of Ghanaians. Most say again you be there and until my campaign may apamuni pam. But yes, still, now for you to know, said these people don't think. And then no man come for Kenufuria town.
Hey, Papa,
and some are even Captain Smart, or man kafa Kenufuria town. Till say even Kisia Bena and say I say Kusiero, crowd was witch hunting Kenufuria town. And so then almost set it and normal Bema Ghana at Timian when they were doing their cross checks and everything, you know. Data bank second data bank.
Na me so party me payen kanokre. I could be rich by dealing for the government. But we hear me say party now by my mom says from.
No, listen, one thing they say the Central Bank of Ghana cannot secure a loan for the country.
It's clear, but me so basa me family bank amount.
Because ultimately secure a loan for the country because your credit score no and your papa. Your credit score no does not do what? Does not give us that opportunity and that chance to secure a loan from any country. So it takes the credit score of the data bank. Now data bank no managing here in Kobenia's credit score no.
Absolutely no.
Kobenia's referral.
Absolutely no.
Say on
na the omodi ekene for that pan or G10% and or the kukuja tabra kwa champagne we kwatra Metro TV Good Morning Ghana that on sha say no fucking of for yata no dintro and of papa na the bank is a private institution who kwa champagne no so MP piauka and he want a private institution not to get money from the job that he's doing for the state. Yes, yeah, bonnet. But then so according to you they want to use data bank again. Huh? George?
Yeah, use data bank. Omo use data bank. We see data bank is second after the Central Bank of Ghana. Data bank is number 2. Omo use when it comes to their credit on the European market. That is what they are using. That is what they are using.
Any pay fucking papa.
And this wa ben inciting Ghanaians say na na do danko akufuado any ninya kanuforiata including Gabiochi Dakun are doing something we call a Japade book. Chairman. And so na NDC buy a whole Sankofa concession, Sankofa mining on the black water. They are Ibrahim Mahama.
Aye. Why done there?
Now, Busahu question me say, and then Ibrahim Mahama say, or JSA concession at a sum of $100,000, and I say $100 million. Chairman, Santa Mani Miano ewo opposition, when your says can now come for you. Mobile, now only the India. Mobile, no year at 2 force in finance minister, on Sanko and the chair. On Sanko and the chair, oh, baby, a bit yes,
African Development Bank. I think it's African Development Bank.
Yes, yes, secure loan. You know, San Omodi a merchant bank. Ibrahim Mahama at the merchant bank for over $300 million. Yakokaya, Nimia John Dramani Mahama say, Omumbase Mintungu. Where are we taking the country to? If you live in a country whereby the citizens cry for food rather than developmental, this is what we get.
And the problem because I said the NDC Accra Regional Chairman Eba Asempa FM after election. Emma Obi Bisa na same way. What was your message to the people? Amamunya such
no message.
I swear to my God, I was searching for you. Also, I'm the dokono bo, dokono ne chinambo on ankasa o kakurano na o science reka ho. I'm the dokono ene chinambo ne timi convince the whole Accra regional. I'm koto nkwasi abasa de NDC.
And so na ya jantwa eti o say
oni dokono
o ye kesi nti oni dokono. Ghana ni ya yusu. Ghana ni NDC for yusu because someone who say you lack developmental brains.
I mean, can't say when I'm to us. When him say, have you understand why the cocoa for more jana?
No.
And then when you're secret to a science, say, Papa, no one say we are for before the cocoa season, or mutimikwa, which them. And the they go out for loans. A child in a busia, we are for your mom, Mobosia, a year soft, say be at 3%, your mom double. So some of the Kriafono, they were out for loans, thinking, say, when the cocoa price is out, na be double, as Atuforcing told them. And the Bruma Kwaji Bosia, Omun to mean to your cocoa, no see, Esia wa and then, ya from Munsen because of Atuforcing. I swear to my God. Are you a mom? So we called Joy area ho. A Kriafo be Omukoko, more because. A man for Sheda Koji Bossen because a bit system and there. And then Mekokra Mekoji, then find some Mekoji best 120, 200 million krana, Metikoko bag in Numensia, Matemeka. People use this one to go for loans and then a homando moko musu. And in Tia Sank we are for any abrino, and yen to mono one to say so. It is because of Niamabi or Mafarias and so Mokomo. Now, oh,
go for your final. Chairman,
Metiopa.
Because Nanado Danko Kufuado, I'm a mono buyer. Oh, say cocoa, a seasonal crop, and I say seasonal fruit. Inti Oyen Adrian said, Chairman, as some making, say cocoa near similar one, or my comment to her. Nanado Danko Kufuado, who said, Sir, almost cocoa, you that's a cocoa, almost brought a 12. I train you one at the Hochebo, my bravo. Inti Oceania, you track cocoa ekaba could be a 1,000 Ghana. Near Dia Body amount. Body and any would you, ya found for 4 months soon a yes, I dear. Nasa cocoa mrene baba swan, you will seedlings one wire, the mamma free, your best some more day, ababa yamamu, mass spraying in any spray more for free. Inti se one party we. Nasa okoko tomadi or say cocoa price say we say inti me ba me you say ya e ma me say cocoa near kra ni 7 Manususuna so wadweno atochema kakra
bibi ha wadwene
atochema because say no be tua o kakoko bag 400
Ghana cedis before
let's say obiaba no about be pay you 3,100 chama adabraka Omo de sell the two and omo ntimi antumu kura mu 130 Ghana 128 cedis.
Ah, 2 cedi kura.
Then no ba be jan ma ba be pana na do achew. Ohia ma chew pa. Ohia ma chew. Na me say 3 years ya kada enemy. How they don drama ni mahama kan na ni. O se Ghana for mon kan empire boom.
Yes.
O se mre mu odin be ba.
Edayanim.
Emre mu odin e be ba. Debio nipa no oni adwen bia nto e den kwaje obi oso ntimi nwene ma ne ho oye den kwaje besin abrɛw oye den ko secure loan brɛw na me di wie kra no magya wo ama wo educate wo nkrofo no ye de ye se chama abro nye nsuo mu awia mu ye ne ntina ho ye nya na chidie da na ne chie no ye nim say it has been orchestrated by some people both within and outside.
Yeah, of course. Done there. Any day. Yeah.
I want to share with you. Owusu Bempani movie.
Yes.
Duncan Williams movie. Duncan Williams movie. Joyce Bawa Muntari any movie. Joyce Bawa Muntari any movie. Kennedy Agyapong any movie. Because your video arrested the agent on Mokase. Wako IGP wako kase me enjoy abronye. Chama. A fine anka misdemeanor, a criminal offense.
In fact,
if they don't know the Constitution of Ghana, they should go back and read it. When they also say Ghana fool who say Nana Dudankwe Akufo-Addo tolerated a lot of nonsense. Nana Dudankwe Akufo-Addo tolerated a lot of shitty behaviors. Nakakra we na untimi mfa.
I also ntimi
because about the buy in bulk purchase, what you've not requested for, what you've not ordered for, and no na Baba Binya. We stand with Abronye. Meda was so much.
Bacho nyanto ba say, my video we na comment mama.
Okay.
Come come here into media can you movie say me president didn't even can does it make sense to you? So also gold, would you cut oil? Gold for oil. Why don't you sell your gold, make the money and go and buy the oil and go through a middleman? Me man go school. But economics in a gumitrimu keke. Man go school. Simple things that we can do. And I'm surprised. You see, we have the men. We are hailing this. We are hailing gold for oil. Jesus Christ. We need to move. Move.
And Timiya, where you want kasa upati ni bao. Upati ankasa ni policy. No, this is how this your man commented about it. You talk about this video and I have it with me, so I just brought it out for you to see. Say a man for me said, you were not lying. As I'm now walking, a idea is here. Entity party ni ba no your party, one of the you can say main people among for ni momo. Ebe catch said they are buying ye no yen ejumafo. How do you expect people to go and vote for that man? Kumasi sasa ujina wokai. And about also be a cramoni in Tia and Toaman. Huh? Boss, who are some Kakan?
Yes, still, this man is going around inciting people, say someone has failed. Someone will be the car economy herself, will be the cancer. Let me give you one thing before I go.
Okay.
At their Canadian Japan followers, no, a failure of Ben say, Chairman. Before saying Komu Bedi Papa Nechino, in Komu Musa no question, they say Papa. Yet you come and say 2022, 2021, 2022, Papa, who free America buy not dollar near says 7 Ghana cedi. Ubetra radio no so ebe born another danko Akufo-Addo any Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia baso na papa e ba ne sen ine de na nko mpe no kura ni free ken ho ansa no ma start a campaign man upo bi on kan no kura ba kwa e Kennedy Agyapong
say oya na waye na nim to say the oka no kura na to the just to deceive people
obe show serious face na ye nim say odu Ashanti regional obekwa kotutu ayampia wo obekwa ai no mo sorry ai mo asem we ya make up na record to say asem na make no obeka no word for word no mo sorry no mo say Ashanti region no mo stronghold no ba ye den no mo ye ma mo asem we ya make no o perform mark ba bia okono wan kwan kan me ba wo show so me ma me platform
but this is idea bi a chese at say the NDC ni o ye campaign. Because I'm people in the why should you have to say dear no more your mom? What's going on wa buy mu?
Obekwa ko jina ai no mo buy e den no more mom inti Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia campaign o start fi Ashanti region me me the papa. Before so be draw ma obekwa ko tutu ayampia no ye di ka bi ni pana dwi
yansa na ya juma.
Inti amanfo ni nim de o campaign Kennedy Agyapong campaign ye one way. Yen tarnish obi image apart from only share or sell ama delegates. If this was starting so kwa pro o meche asema waka your policy obey ama party any
no dey say plastic okohu say obi amanfo ye plastic ohu ye na hwan and na the but Ghana I spent so I wish said there do be akasa na kekambo mitimi kan tedi kasa na hwan the fram so of acheme acheme wa besro I hope say the MPP delegation they actually look at the body language too. Because Papa saw the arrogance pa kasa chiri nipa. Now or threatening and say and what he said yeah he's the top human being. Huh?
Okasati say he's the supreme.
Yeah, exactly.
Japan is a dictator. Or a dictator, that's who he is. Na se delegate me dia asem we ni jam se mu pese mu tuma kene ya po se me kan kire mo se obey president obey leader obey president oni ni be adwuma fa no oni ni nya adwuma fa no na oni ni be adwuma so na wo ba na wo nche designer shirt on bo Gucci belt on fa wo adwuma ye ka che ma mate inti mu bi na mu di na chi na kenu mu hwe yi chairman me wie me da ase.
But that's a Bawumia George. We I don't know me born in danger be or Gab Media YouTube, no. No, a TikTok a cracker point and there was a delay. But in any case, we a friend Gab Media George, don't know.
YouTube knows all
yes, or YouTube. Gab Media over now. When Sabekano, Ukwana, more than our subscriber, Amano, or Samson or TikTok, Denny Dino, and Huna Seo, Gab Media 6. Uko so a ubenya no na wadi na china wati na nsem anu hwampa obo nsem he got information he got a lot of things into forona ebebo ama won so why update on issues especially concerning the MPP towards the promise into the message was about mother na hwe na chi akwa na support no na ono so na djuma oye enko danim yeah I really appreciate you.
I appreciate
thank you very much really. Salute. Yebeshi actually.
Adansi mi huyu.
Now, now I hear.
Oh, is it TikTok I am there.
Eko. Matuas here. Now I hear. Nipa yo. And I'll tell you about uko life for TikTok. I be many times and I'm with because I am so cool we are not.
Week with my court that most of the time I am a coin time saying and the time started because time saying the poor field mama. And that was a was because my moderator or scanning a moderator or a good man no way to Mr. Diners, we go on nowhere to because all started lectures next for but ever distracted won't mean pay attention until no more any to amount for mammy.
I see.
Me ba I say obi be throw comment me ya na me say TikTok na me pese me deleting. Is it Dimitri mo?
I TikTok mo ho ba ye de. I will try also to
yeah, because right now no let me like say me wo penifo bi they listen to me there. Obi ti say PK Sapon.
Okay.
Yeah, he's following me there and he comes to my program. Obi ti say yeah doctor yeah Obanta NDC communicators Dr. Zatu.
Okay.
Yeah, Dr. Zatu say follow me the message is clear.
Oh.
So yeah.
What a great man. Oh, someone or you have you rough.
Exactly. Yeah, follow me on. Like I have a lot of people. Wow, they are all Bawumia.
Yes.
So man, come on, like that place. And I think it's a kind of medium. Yeah, my mama have seen it. Thank you so much. Like a whole though YouTube, but I want to say TikTok, TikTok, is something I say even so bit come baby cry when your notification, eba ebetie their work and TikTok, they award Oma lectures. Into most of the time, everyone my senior member could be a friend of God Factor. He's a very good analyst. Tembia making sure so bam live, so he speaks with fact and figures. Obiti said the voice of NPP. Very, very clever, intelligent guy.
Chairman for Brian, I know show so high.
Mate.
Mr. Yeah. Because I think I have a very important show concerning Ghana security. One of the former national security personnel will be Osho. I'm saying Moses Abok around here. I will get him here tomorrow. So yeah, let's
like a lot of people. Yeah, they say a chief anti-comedy museum near Omo Basho so the my update. They say or Rempong, your guy you are a friend invest in Ghana. Like those people speak with like a lot of fact any idea and I say and they say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia the man follow the campaign word for word. Jail the money political movies more like they all follow me and stuff. In Japan say a honor kwakwa to say a family they mingle share information in the
I see.
Don't worry, you bet make promotion on
no problem. I'll tell you to come there.
I'll just put you on. Oh yeah, me so I don't talk. I'll just promote it for you. By the end of the day, at least upon your phone show will be when you 5 followers, 10 followers near there.
I'm 40 or I come at 10. I'm submitting my live since here.
Any problem? Problem, cry. Any problem? Mami, I've seen you. I'll follow you back. Thank you so much.
Yeah, I mean, no, I say.
Yeah.
Why are they never bought
because when you are there, to them or an American, oh dear, the answer will be back.
All right. I'll be there. I'll try to
forget about numbers now air show more now more now because we want ma we can not see ourselves now who can obey now to say we need a voice now American.
Okay.
A very intellectual guy. Meaning that what see ourselves now who can
we record $1 more.
He's talking about the dollar.
Okay.
Petroleum system there, of
course.
Okay. So, yeah, but
these are one of the communicators who call around radio station, TV station to communicate for Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia.
It will be amazing to know them and to share some ideas with them.
Any problem? I will introduce you to them. Why? Who's in Ras and Brown? Also, you're not Brown.
No problem.
No, I see a man show.
All right, God bless you so much, brother. Bye. Yeah, we are George. Then I wish I message some men George Chikwa and Gap Media and support. Let me see for me. Person me no munsuo. Me call no munsuo no TV video way.
The dynamics for the 2028 elections are quite different in the sense that NDC presented a fresh face, a new candidate. Afraid no more marketed that candidate.
Okay.
I don't think say MPP knowing very well say NDC for the a new face eba afi no mba be marketing no yen so yen ko fa obi fofora ono so afi ne eba be marketing to face I think say ebe ye more easier for us to get obi a ye de na ko ya ton dada na ojina na so dada no to face a new candidate from the NDC. That I believe so. It's my resolve about Dr. Bawumia's candidate is the fact that he deserves the idea extremely or other presidential candidates. President Kufuor got that. Kufuor got that. The only person when Yasa is Mr. Dubois, and we all know Mr. Dubois at the time or back 1996, health-wise, in age. No, I am ready. It's me the Yama Kufuor, the Yama His Excellency Kufuor, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. So he deserves that same treatment. Yadema Omwa said, okay. Omufi the previous ones. He deserves same. Okay. He deserves same. Number 2, he's a good man. Good man. Maybe I'm a catch and go for. He's a good man. In what sense? Asante Bekasi Oyenipa. Okay. Oyenipa. In that state. He's a Oyenipa. You know, or tema. He has feelings for Nepal. Or why? Our program be with this leprosy. Yeah, leprosy. Oyenipa. Or tema. He has that edge. Yes. But Oyenipa. He's a complete human being. O friend no be pick or no be kasa o problem or no be discuss to see the way forward on take the points on no kwan answer when team he takes your views now or the meaning now boom. He is a complete human being in my view. Okay. At this stage of our political with the turmoil any disturbance of political space I think say we be with that kind of character and with that kind of temperament at this stage. I believe say he has that. Clearly Oyenipa. His performance as a vice president all over Ghana, he was one of the most active vice presidents. Everybody get that. Of course, obey active, it depends on the president. It's a president Akufo-Addo. Man, that opportunity say I deal with person lady. That gave him the opportunity to shine. And Obi here say in terms of ideas, complete ideas, fresh ideas, Ghana not any something I yet so used to know. He comes out as clearly above all the other 4.
Abusianfo yate nsema ye bra we edi agudwa ene yewia George nso apesan bebo ye chidom edi nsem ahodo bebre abegu abonten na yegira mu a Dr. Bawumia campaign ko na nim no ajabi so de eti agufom ya asai ni nyina ne se ne nsem na oka no ama mpp fom panfo bi no madwa na yewura KT Hamo eka asem bia mepese yentie no na me phone calls on tum ochina you better also on this the same topic because I have more videos to share but ya transiache ya twa more than 2 hours entino yeah yentie KT Hamo ne nsem o ka kire Kennedy Agyapong ene na ye phone calls on tum
ya kana sa party de na ye see aye de say ye ni esikafo ade ye hiafo na ye hiafo the party no abronya party no me ka ho ye de ye go ni Dr. Bawumia hiafo de no tam na ye pesika ye de ye MPP no ene esikafo no omo wo he asama me pesa me kana no aye mi wo we na mpo atwa de edi ka ye pesika 1990s na ansa na ye te party na ye sika no ade ye de be edu point the 2000 election 1999 no ni ye ni kapreba mama to see why you call baby you ko pesika am ye de ye MPP ebe ye party ye de ye abai ebe ye winning machine no say the pada no omo ye dede woska no omo ni baby o no wo mo kapredim ye de ye tu sa kwa no mo te say ye gya ye dum wo ga da ha say and any pen be a din, yes, ye dibiko. But more yet was the Kafomusia, Mumisa won't say, and son MPP ever win the first election. No, and Madame discover I don't want here. And Bibiaba, a bima for Quabiso, 1 year scattered chow, nobody Kayampoa. Let me come here for a party to home. I brought your party to Mikaho. Dr. Bawumia Okaho, I pay that work, Shabrofubi, Okosha, was say, unfortunately, some of us do not have the kind of money that is being splashed around, just like the rest of you. May you not be common. You are Panakasa. Only says can be. More says can be no. One the only delegate no. Omu yeni says can be. More musikano. Monfa. Party no. A member. Moja. And the idea. And I say I saw for. And nezona medasu di jinano. Ye jinano. And yes kasab. Wama sabri say. Ebi mo dibia ye. Adibia ye. Etimu ma yanko dibi. Niyanko dibi. Ye dibi. Nabusubu dibi. Amano sikadie kwa na abasika amano mu sikadie kwa na aba ne nanse ye kwa ya election no mo bakaya obi bibia wo penti ya brega na ha bre campaign na Dr. Bawumia oya campaign ya the half ne the ka apacha amagana for no obi odon kwa ne bibia wo penti na ye wie ya ne be gina say oya kramani if you want to be the president abodam say ye kan wo gana ha ya kasabwa adasi amodimatra mfie aduodu nan na munim sabe grabani papa we mo hwa ni oma na ya you know na sanne program bi okoye no abrochire ye ni abrofo de batra ya muhu na mo hwe me se bete brofo na metie papa brofo wote abrofo mu na economics na wo kadam say inna lillahi wa inna ilaihi raji'un ya fa papa we ya my president wo gana ha ya be bro top
abusiamfo se munyina Katie Hammond enso dene de abeto enti Kennedy yapona numu dwa na o dwa no bibia da di se ne hunya na wanya ne no it is because of MPP we know omo historical men in the MPP we know na echechire MPP ko no be MPP ko enti mo amoba na anu a yenya power a munya bibibi contract bi a modi nya amoho no mon kama no ntum na omo so far ye to get where the party is today no they are these men omonom ni we nom e na omo aka omo anu tum na omo ye omo adwuma omo de som oman no ne party no daben e na politics be ye mi woska daben da na eya na ye me de say finally one ma wo mo kasa eye historical na sanso ye clinical omo ahyase a omo bi omo anum yesi nso hoyi eta ponkyerene a eje wo ena ese oba we de ma mefo mo mfa nkyeme yesi otwetwe ukunu na japade na mane sori gina kese a eye ho a na hye enkoba bia ho a na ebewura enti se woni uti nipem now say oh conduct to want to say somebody a uye obia nipa e wo say emfa buo mawo now conduct want to say uye akora keto bia people will stand up and talk in your face and ombeka nokore na ewom no de akyerew because your time any person in kuminyenti na obi say or the best say MPP party na MPP info na page omo na de asifom omo page omo na de asifom say omo ntena ho emma nipa ba akofo de obenyanti emfa say party no asema George kae osi papa we ya ye kana semi etumi nante kona na dodan kokufo anim ko ka kire ne se mopa monye contract ma me se afibia mo bedi aban a mo ba me 500 million contract a year monye ne saade a meboa menye basabasaye mentwitwa mo nan mu e wo constituencies ahodom na ye tran wi ase eyese ye trase e wo asase we so eye ne ma etise yɛtena se ɛwɔ asase wei so ɛyɛ ade a ɛnsɛm fata ɛde kyerɛ yɛ ankasa yɛhom nipa ɛwɔ kwan wei so na ɔde abusua yi yɛntie kyama wontumi ne video wei na memie phone lines no ntom maame Betty Kumsen me mo akwa abapa wo ho te sɛn e maame ama I think say the show went in a perfect way that you people want it, yeah. And I think say and yehu obi agina bre e wo party no mu yehu omo ba ya omo be pay sika and yehu omo ba ya omo ba say they wanted to build the party to help the country develops. Yehu omo ba ya omo de omo afu enenam ene yehu omo ba ya omo de oman no do any party no enkoso ena omo de ba ya abusiafo menti chama wo
na ye ba chi chama wo to me ba bia ko ye ne me ko ye no me say minister wo to na wa 2 3 da na kasi ana da na kasi no e ko straight fiasa na the same thing no ko say na wo hwe ba bia chama wo to me da nearly that. We see a man who wants to be. Now, Obia no say I'm telling you, Obia say who grew and me more, who shall form or not for no, or shall say who as I say, and to me, who Sabia Casabi, me who Sabi, who will be at my cup of water. And no Sabi, yes, Christo, the true idea, or Tia Lucas, Ali Sabatani, Naja and Wapami, and Ubi, and a Chabamu to Mrs. So, Mrs. Tiamu, Akasagana for Musario, Gana for Musario, Gana for Musario, Gana for Musario, I am Muti, and the MC, another day, Yabana Siasuka, Yabana Siasuka, Obia, how fun, Obia, Yuma, Obia, school fees, Obia, Akotio, Obia, Obia, Wadia, Danakumaso, Adia Mesmakanesa, Adas for Musorio, Adas Musorio, Adas Musorio, I am Muti, and a doctor, Adima Obia, also the Benjamin Ghana president, or the Sabu problem, or the good I love you so much, let's pass it. I love you so much. I love you so much. You are special. You are special. You are special. May God bless you all. May God bless you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
ma wontumi nso ena yate ne kara busianfo ma bie phone lines no tumu so tumi frɛ na wa kyerɛ wadwe enti chama kyerɛ a ba bia dene kɔto ye ne de na enye ba bi pakora na enye ba bi a efata se ye de chama ya ankasa be kwa akoto ho but otamfo onyo osowo a onyawo a de ensem fatawo na ode yewo abusia osu tumi frɛ na wa kyerɛ wadwen se de be ya gab bebam na yemi yankafo so kakari tv nso betumi akọ live ai mesan so akamfo yemi kakari tv ewo youtube nso e de amamo o sanso ewo facebook ye friend skb tv1 o me na chi akwai na ye support no na ono nso na djuma ye enkoso abusia mesra wa se unya subscribe ya bo modern na obeso subscribe ewo channel we so na o besanso de wonsa asi adoma no so adoma na odun sasi so a eboa said e be ya me ba life bia na won so no betumi hu se me ba life na me di video tuma obehu se me di video atum na won so no watimi aba na waba ba hwebi me da munyina ase ene mo bre ma bia phone lines na atum osu tumi frɛ na wa hyɛ wadwe videos na aka na ochena ye be ye hu adwuma because ya boy adwuma almost 2 hours 20 minutes. I think say we have done a lot of hours today. Into the moment see now channel ya continue with where we end from. Yes, Entimaka, Medical Catcher must say on the 31st of February, no, Papa Bibisu say no Bisu.
Babra, a boka, the children where she come cook tray, just for information. Do
Okay. That's unfortunate.
What the power we are sent here watching? Again, not waiting. Not waiting.
Oh, no. Don't care about it.
Hello, Mama.
Hello, Obi Amfre.
Obi Amfre, yo.
So Obi Freddy, Obi Fra, my fan to Sonami, them Cassat.
Me to ask you. I'm saying, me mammy, I'm a friend, I'm from mammy.
Ah, fire, no, I you.
All right, me last. Hello.
Hello.
Mammy, mo akwaba.
Ya Eja. Mpacho Michia Obiara.
Atiefo nyina ade so San Jose.
Ya da nyame ase na Gab Media so ya da na ase woni nkyekere bibra. Wada aba.
Yeah.
Ni yebo so da daman no wada communicators a won kasa ma papa no wode konye nkura ba ase. Kono waka kyekere nsem wode kyerɛ hono mo wota ase. Enye na ye wo he ya ate na mbom binum wo a wonya resources a wonya access to internet to them yenya wa especially nya ye wa kwentum yenya. Nti aboto to asra wona wo nkura sin delegate na wo support papa mi de baby a nipa